What's up, everybody? This is Ryan with Ryan's Travels. Great to see everybody again. I want to give you a tour today of my new condo. I moved from Grand Avenue back beginning of February 2025. And so this is my new place. It's at the Arcadia Millennium Tower on Pattaya 3rd Road. So I'll take you guys, give you a little look-see, and hope you guys like it. Let's go. So this is the entrance of the building. It's a pretty high skyscraper here in Pattaya. It's got security, which is good. They're not too intrusive, but they do protect, from outsiders that shouldn't be in the building, which is nice. Grand Avenue, the tour or the people at the front seemed a little too nosy, and I didn't like that very much. So anyway, walking in, this is the lobby. Very pretty, very nice, impressive. Has a really nice smell to it as well. And what's really nice here is this restaurant right here. You can see is Tiki's or Tiki's, however you say it. It's a great restaurant. It's, higher priced, more for, non-Thai pricing. It's expensive, but it's very good, and it's probably the best pizza that I found actually in Pattaya. So anyway, walking through the lobby, when you walk through here, you have a security person here. Again, not too intrusive, but they're very nice. It's nice. Out here is where you get your packages and go to the garage. But this is very cool here. This is actually called the elevator, which is nice. So when you get here, there's no key to get in here. You can see the security is all biometric, which is nice. Also in here, in the elevator, you can't get up to your floor without doing the biometric. And now here we go, get into my room. This is one of the best things I like about it. On my checklist, I had to have 1 key or less, because my last place had 2 keys. It was an utter pain in the ass. We have ourselves a guest bedroom. This is a 2 full bedroom, 2 full bathroom. And yes, this place is lived in, so don't mind seeing some of the things that wouldn't be here if it was empty. Kitchen, a work area. We got the microwave. It doesn't have an oven, but we don't really need one anyway. Nice cooktop, ventilation system, plenty of storage here. Nice refrigerator. Now, if you know from my last video, I had to buy a Samsung. I bought this Samsung dryer. This time when I moved in here, it came with a washer and dryer combo, but mine actually will dry better, so I ended up keeping this here, not like selling it or anything, and so I got a washer and dryer. And more shelf space, as you can see, for more crap. Got the other bedroom. Now, what's very nice are the views here. I love the views. See if you can try to check them out here. So it's great. So you're able to sit in bed at night. You'll see all the lights out here. Beautiful bathroom. Don't mind the towel, please. Don't mind my other stuff. The shower is very good here. The toilets are these Japanese toilets. They've got actual bidets on them there. You can see right there. And so, actually, it was funny when I first moved in here. I tried to use that to flush it, and it just squirt water everywhere. So, the actual toilet flusher's there, and you can use for your foot here to flush as well. Pretty cool stuff. The Grand Avenue didn't have a great view, so I want to make sure that the new place I came had a nice big balcony, so I can fit my cold plunge. There's my cold plunge. I'll show you how I put that together in one of my next videos as well. Place to sit. And there's actually, this is not a wide angle lens as you would think it is, but this balcony really is that big. There's also a jacuzzi here that's covered up right now. I could undo and fill with water. 20 minutes, I got myself a party out here. And there's the view. Spectacular. That's the water that's Pattaya out there. I'll put another video, a little clip in here about what it looks like in the daytime as well. That's Prattaya. There's the Pattaya sign over there. The new sign's actually pretty cool. There it is. It's LED and it lights up. Changes colors. So anyway, it's got a nice place to sit, which is nice. You should sit and watch TV. Anyway, that's the tour. I hope you guys liked it. What I'm going to do is I'll also take you upstairs. I'll show you what the 2 pools, the workout facility looks like, and also the sauna and steam room. So very good amenities, worth checking out. We're about to go there right now. Let's go. This is also a big deal as to why I also moved here, because Grand Avenue did not have a good gym. There's all really old equipment. This has leg presses and leg extensions and all the leg exercises that I really like to use. They have all the other stuff as well, but sometimes the leg machines are hard to come by. So this is a great room. It's not always really filled up. I didn't want to stay in here too long and get you know, showing around too much, because there's people working out and I want to respect their time and not look weird. And this is the sauna, steam, and of course the restroom, as the sign says. It's pretty nice here. The steam room, you have the sauna right next to it. And then of course you can go and, you know, wash off in the bathroom. But we're gonna skip by that for a second. Actually, no, we're gonna go to it right now, forgot. Then obviously there's a women's bathroom and the men's bathroom, and nice and clean as usual. That's one thing I like about this building, it's very nice and clean and well kept. So here's the garden and swimming pools. As you can see, the views up here are really, really nice. And then when we go to the very top, it's gonna look even nicer. So you have a nice area over here. I don't wanna, you know, focus too much over that, because there are people that are relaxing and I don't wanna be rude. But there's the pool and a lot of areas to sit and chill out and have fun. This is the other way to get into the sauna and steam room. And again, cool place to kind of sit out here and read or do whatever you want. You can be by yourself. It's not really busy a lot up here, which is nice. It's very peaceful and quiet. '46th floor, the rooftop pool. This is super high. I mean, oh my God, I came out here. So the view up here is absolutely spectacular. It's super private up here because no one really comes up here a lot. And it takes kind of a long time to get up to the top, because only 2 of the 4 elevators go all the way up to the top here. But there's a very small little pool up here. It's very nice. There's bathrooms as well, as you can see. Plenty of places to sit and chill. I'm really actually looking forward to being up here during the fireworks. The many different times when they have fireworks and different nighttime festivities, because it's such a great view up here. You can see all of Prattaya over there and Jomtien, and of course the rest of the Pattaya area. And that over there, a little far out there, is Wangamat and the Naklua area. And there's also a little area down here to kind of, walk around and see as well. Not much, just a little nook area, but it'd be cool if, again, you're watching things like fireworks and whatever up here to kind of hang out. All right, everyone, I hope you guys liked the tour, and leave any comments or questions below, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great day.